Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. I'm a young horticulturist that tries to inspire other younger generations to get their hands in the dirt and grow their own food. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to grow summer squash. So if you want to know all the details behind how to grow summer squash for your garden, please stay tuned with us. Summer squash is not a specific variety of squash to grow in the garden. It's actually a family of squashes that grows best in the summer months. This consists of patty pan squash, crookneck, zucchini, and many other varieties that do best in the summer months and that are fun to grow in your vegetable garden. I am super excited because I tried to grow summer squash in the beginning of this year, but I completely failed and I didn't know why. It's because summer squash in other climate zones are grown in summer, but here it's grown in winter. So when I grew it in summer, it did not do nothing at all, just sit there looking pretty. And so I had no summer squash to harvest and I was pretty disappointed. But nowadays, I am determined to grab at least one squash from my squash garden and I am super excited to do so. So let's go ahead and jump right into the details you need to learn on how to grow your summer squash. Plant summer squash seeds in dirt mound. This provides great loose soil for the seeds to germinate in and allows their root system to develop nicely as well. It provides also great drainage for the plant because it sucks in water but does not sit in water, which is a main factor you want to stay out for because summer squash loves water but does not like to sit in water. You want to water in your seeds automatically because if you don't, the seeds won't be activated, and you want to get your summer squash as soon as possible. So water in nicely and water one time every day a little bit until you see germination pop up. One key point you want to look out for is fertilization. You want to fertilize your summer squash seedlings once true leaves emerge. You don't want to fertilize at a young stage because the fertilizer is too overpowering for the seedling to grow in. So you want to fertilize your plant when true leaves emerge. You want to fertilize one time every 3 to 4 months based on the seed variety you have. Some require more fertilizer, others require less. Read up on your seed variety and look up what variety you have. See what are the requirements for that specific summer squash and you'll be good to go on that. But fertilizing is a key point for best summer squash production. Coming at number 3 is you want to treat your summer squash for powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is one of those pests that you don't want to have in your garden, especially in your summer squash, because powdery mildew could decimate and take over a plant, whether it be a pepper plant, whether it be summer squash, doesn't matter what it is. Powdery mildew is a pest you don't want to have. So you want to treat your summer squash at an early age because you don't want to wait at older age, because if you wait at older age, it makes the plant more vulnerable to powdery mildew and it's going to be a pain in the butt to remove. So treat your summer squash at an early age with a solution that works best for you. Summer squash is very pretty to grow in the garden, especially for beginner gardeners. This is a plant I recommend off the bat. I started summer squash a few weeks ago. I actually planted an emerald green zucchini that I've been wanting to grow for a long time. I wanted to mention, if you have noticed, I am partnering with Territorial Seed Company on this video. They provided the amazing seeds for me to try out in this garden this year. I'm gonna be leaving all their media links down below in the description box below. Go check out their stuff. They provided great stuff. They provided the green tint squash for me to grow as well as the emerald green zucchini for me to grow. Good thing to note, the emerald green zucchini is already germinating and we had 100% germination rate, which is very, very exciting. I'm gonna be explaining how to grow zucchini in a different video, so comment down below if you would like to see it. Hopefully you found this video informative and educational, and hopefully you learned something new about growing summer squash. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as if you want to show your support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel, please hit that subscribe button and also share with friends and families to help other people learn where their food comes from and also how to grow it. Thanks for watching. I'm Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener, and we'll see you in the next exciting sprouting video. Bye guys.